As you grow your cleaning company, and you've probably experienced this already, you are going to come up against a whole load of new challenges that you wouldn't have come up against in other walks of life, or you wouldn't have come up against when you just started the business. Because as you grow, as you scale, there are new challenges. But we don't spend much time looking at ourselves as the business owner, looking at our own skill sets, what we're good at, what we're not good at, and what we need to get good at to take the business to the next level. Because you end up bottlenecking the business. Because if the business has grown outside of your capabilities, then you become the bottleneck, you become the weak link. So I'm not saying to you that you need to spend loads of time, energy, and money on courses and books and training. But what I would do is I would check in and see, okay, what's the business requiring of me now that it didn't require of me before? And in order to get to that next level, what do I need to learn? What do I need to know? And if you don't know what you need to know, which is often the case because you've not been there before, seek out somebody that does. That's why coaches like myself, mentors like myself, give you so much mileage and help you to cut down on the amount of time it takes to get to a certain point in the business. So if you are in a position where you're thinking, I don't really know what I need to know, but you're interested in finding out more, and you're interested in investing in yourself and investing in your future and the future of the business, drop me a message. But it's definitely worth thinking about. Don't bottleneck the growth in your own business simply because your mindset isn't elevating as the business grows.